DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tablescape. And again, this is the Summer to Fall Transition Tablescape collaboration. Now, I'm the host of this collaboration, but I couldn't do it by myself. I have two lovely co-hosts. They are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. She also has a second channel called the Decor Lady, and Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. Now, you cannot go wrong with either one of their channels. I thank them so much for joining me on this collaboration. Please go down, visit the playlist, make sure that you go and visit both of their channels today, and make sure you tell them that Candy sent you. So again, I thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a member of this channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that notification bell at least 2 times. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all. Thank you so much for watching.